My name is Felicia Howard. I own Felicia's Cake Factory. We've been open for 3 years now. I realized this was going to be a big deal. The beginning of April, we start hearing businesses closing down. The numbers of people infected and dying from this virus and pandemic were steadily increasing. The changes we've had to make since COVID-19, where we went online, where customers could go online and purchase their items. We would fill their orders, and then they would give us a call once they come down to our store, and we'll go out and deliver it via curbside service. Day to day since COVID-19, I'm constantly looking at my emails, trying to respond to customers, making sure I'm answering them in a timely manner. On top of that, I'm having to make sure I have enough supplies to be able to provide products for our customers. And speaking of supplies, the price of those have gone up drastically. Unfortunately, we've had to make some changes in some of our pricing. But on a day-to-day basis, I'm constantly trying to respond to emails, social media posts if they're messaging me online, via text, phone calls, just trying to stay relevant and making sure I'm here for our customers whenever they have questions or they have something that they're wanting from us that we can provide to them. My customers and my family and friends motivate me to continue going. They're constantly telling me that we can do it. The customers are constantly reaching out to us wanting more products, and as long as we have the supplies available and the power and energy to get in here, we're going to continue to keep pushing and hopefully surpass this here pandemic. I've learned that Felicia's Cake Factory plays a vital role within our community. We offer products that customers really enjoy, not only the look of, but the taste of our products. A lot of customers tell us that when they're creating or when they're thinking of having events, they want something that looks good, but it tastes equally good as well, and we're able to provide that for our customers, and I'm really happy for that.